Calm down, calm down. Wait now. Roland.
Why are you picking on me? Can you please can we come back?
Yeah.
Okay, may we know the outcome?
Yeah, we have reached the resolution that we've already agreed to work together as one family. And we'll go further to break it into a smaller committee so that at the end of the day, we'll come out with a better solution. But in conclusion, Edo now is one family. Thank you very much.
When you say Edo is one family, are you insinuating that the issues between the governor and his deputy has been resolved?
What brought this issue? We are talking about election. You are talking about issue of governance.
There's no issue with my issue with my deputy. Absolutely none. He wants to contest. No, he doesn't have to drop his ambition. He's a free-born of Edo State. He can contest. We're not stopping anybody.
Thank you very much.
I will support whoever the party supports.
Where is Shaibu?
I will look for it.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.